Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a very special Chevelle. This is an all numbers matching factory hugger orange 1969 Chevelle Super Sport with only believed to be 47,000 original miles. Just a great sounding car, and just it's the way it sits today is just how it came from the factory.
Isn't that awesome? And
Very
when you
cool.
say the way it sits, even just the height of it, the way it,
stance,
you know what I mean?
Everything.
If you get out of it, it's a nice lower stance. It's not all jacked up. It's about as pure as you're gonna get one at 47,000 miles, Dalton. One repaint, numbers matching motor training and rear end.
Yep.
And it also comes with some documentation as well, which we'll show on our website.
Awesome. And the neat thing too is this hugger orange color. It's very rare to see a 69 Chevelle in the hugger orange. It seems like you don't see
I don't
it
know
very
if you
often.
know this, Dalton, but you can only get hugger orange in a Super Sport.
Really?
You cannot buy a hugger orange in a Malibu. That's one way to tell if a car is a true SS without paperwork and without numbers
Is that
matching
code
motor.
72 for paint?
If that's the code, it's a factory SS in
Nice.
69.
Very cool. Yeah, and this one also is all numbers matching, so another surefire indicator.
Just look at it under the hood. It's
350
so
horse
pure.
too?
Yes, 396, 350 horse. Yep.
Nice.
It's not your basic 3 1/4. It's not the hypo 375. It's right in the middle. It's a 350 horse.
Nice.
But look at the paint job they did. They did a gorgeous job on the paint job years ago. Everything was taken apart. The fenders and doors and everything were taken apart. Did a beautiful job on that.
Even on the firewall.
Got the correct GM hoses.
And wait till you look at let me show the trim tag here quick.
Oh,
Keep
go
it
ahead.
up.
Sorry.
But just look out the trim tag, all the right rivets, and just super clean and nice too. Kind of another indicator of that mileage. Never.
Well, here's the other thing. As long as we're talking about like proof for miles, right? There's no way a seat like this, you see how nice and clean it is in and out, would have 147. And I can tell you that it's original because of this.
Because of the backing of it.
Look, the backing right here. See
It's
it?
original.
Stitching's coming just a little bit. It's 100% original seats, original seat belts,
Original dash and gauges, all that.
and original steering wheel is original. It's got a little crack there, and you can buy a new one if you want. But how about original? I did buy new ones of these. I have new vent balls.
But the originals are still in it.
Correct. But I was planning on putting the new ones in there just to spruce up the dash.
Like we talked about, the only thing that looks like was done on the interior that we can tell is carpet was replaced.
Yep.
But
We'll get to the rest of the interior in a little bit. I just wanted to show you that documents the miles.
Awesome.
So with that one repaint, the chrome, stainless, paint itself is beautiful. The front bumper is excellent. The grille looks original and it's in excellent shape. And so are the headlight chrome pieces. They're in great shape as well, the bezels. Hood gap is great from front to back. Back of the hood lines up excellent. We did take us a light buffer over this, and I'll tell you what, it shines and it's just smooth as silk. Vinyl top, Dalton, is original.
Yeah.
100% original. No bubbles or blisters anywhere in that vinyl top. Look at the back package tray. It's got the perforated package tray on there. Top of the back seat's excellent. All the way along here is great shape as well. If you look up and down the sides, laser straight. We're gonna go around it for blisters and stuff like that. This is an older paint, but when I say older, I'm guessing 3 to 10 years. I mean, it still looks absolutely show quality from bumper to bumper.
Dude, the reverse lockout still works for the key.
Yeah, so is the dome light. The bottom of the door lines up perfect to the rocker panel. Over the wheel well is excellent. Again, if you look up and down the sides, super straight. Just even along the edges. You know, that's what you want to look at when you're looking at these classics. You know, how was it done? How was the felt done? Underneath the felt, the paint is beautiful. What are you seeing? Original paint here, look.
Yeah.
That's 100% original paint. Spackling is awesome. Trunk, super nice and clean. What's that? It's an old beat up truck, sounds terrible. It's got the old bias ply spare still in it. It's got the jack and all that. And like I said, original paint under the trunk lid. Jams were done, inner fenders were done. So want you to just see how straight the body is. If you're looking for a documented 69 Chevelle Super Sport and you want a nice, clean, straight one that drives awesome, this is your car. Because we haven't even got to the best part yet, the way it drives.
Yeah, I'm excited to take it on the road.
Door jamb paint's excellent. I know I said the door jamb paint was done, but I think it might be, some of it might be original too. You know, if you look around the corners, just like here, this could still be original paint because it's not as nice as the outside. As we look at the headliner, it's in great shape. As far as door panels, dash, everything is just freaking awesome. Again, here's your original seat covers. They're in perfect shape. Dash pad's excellent. It's got the factory Muncie shifter. Everything's in awesome shape. As we come down here to the corner of the door, it's absolutely beautiful. Super solid. Bottom of the door is excellent as well. As I said before, no matter where you look, super nice straight car. Beautiful paint. Back bumpers have all been re-chromed. Dual exhaust is in excellent shape. And these are all original. These taillight bezels are original. The chrome still pops on them. But if you look really close, you can still see just some little 50-year-old little Mars in those. Trunk lid lines up good. As I mentioned before on the driver's side, the vinyl top is an excellent original condition. You can tell it's original just because it's a little tighter. No slits or bubbles anywhere that I can see. Nice and clean all the way across. As we look up and down the passenger side, paint and body is beautiful on it. Bottom corner of the door tucks in the behind the door and also in front to the fender. As we go over the wheel wells, rocker panel, bottom of the door, no bubbles, blisters, everything's super clean there. Nice gap from top to bottom on the door, and also the back of the hood lines up beautiful. It's got just your driver's side chrome mirror, which was replaced. Also your corner of the door here on the driver's side's excellent. Paint on the bottom of the door is nice as well. Door rubbers and felts were all redone during the paint job. But it looks to me like the roof rail is still original. That's worn here just a little bit, but it's still pliable. Something you can easily change, but it's cool that it's still original. It shows the 47,000 miles as well. We did kind of show you the original seats are in excellent shape, except for right here, they restitched it, that little cord, which is the cord right here, kind of come undone, but it's been restitched. Headliner is in excellent shape. Dome light works as well. It's got seat belts in the front for 3 and in the back for 3.
All right.
Inside here, we'll go through some of that information real quick for you.
Lots of really neat original paperwork that comes with this one. Here, want me to go through it?
That's fine. Installation instructions right here as far as the amp meter and alternator, temperature indicator, oil pressure indicator, illumination of the gauges. That shows that. Original 69 owner's manual. Okay. Got all that stuff in there as well. Put all this back in a little bit. The original radio has been changed out to a factory AM/FM, but it's more like a digital one. It's just a newer, and it's got Bluetooth and everything in it. Awesome. So that's awesome. Didn't know that. Just some old registration cards and papers, stuff like that. It's got the original mirror. That would have come back behind your visor. It's got some receipts here. It looks like it was in West Virginia in 1971. It was sold in West Virginia as well. Looks to me like just got some more cards here. Another receipt here in 83.
Cool thing is that punch card.
Yeah, it's got the factory punch card with it still. And also, this is huge too. You still have your original warranty information.
And Protecto plate.
And Protecto plate. And it also has the information where it was sold brand new. And who it was sold to. BW right here in Lost Creek, West Virginia.
How cool.
So we'll put all this stuff away and we'll get going here. As far as your steering wheel and stuff goes, horn works, wipers work, Dome light works. The other thing is you have to have it to get it out of reverse. To get the key out, it's got the reverse. You can't get the key out until it's in reverse, correct?
Yep, just like it was from the factory.
Yep, hasn't been changed. Heater fan works good. As far as your AM/FM from radio works. How'd you turn that on, Big D?
Remember. But it does work. We were just listening to it.
Yeah, takes a
European countries have been too lenient.
And you want to switch it to
Orchid
FM, just flip her over and that'll go work as well. Gas gauge works. Odometer's got 47,095 miles on the odometer, and I am almost positive, and I've been told by the previous owner that he's almost positive it's original miles as well, okay?
There's reverse.
There's reverse, I want to show you that. Temperature gauge works, 150 degrees, and our oil pressure is still about 70 pounds. And it's all warmed up nice, and the idle's running about probably 600-700 RPM. Awesome. Just a nice low idle with this.
Yeah. Even just moving this thing around the lot, I was just so impressed with the way this runs and drives.
It is so crisp
Yeah.
and tight. The front suspension is awesome. Speedometer works. Whoever gets behind, the next person that owns this and gets behind the wheel is gonna fall in love. Look at the brakes. Now, I think those are just stock manual brakes, and they stop absolutely perfect.
Well, it's unique to find a factory super sport that with this, original that hasn't been messed with. So many of these cars have turned into hot rods and they just don't drive the same as they would have back in '69.
No, not a low mileage one. I bet there ain't many. I bet there ain't 5 other '69 Chevelles with these kind of miles on it.
Yeah.
350 horse.
Nice shift. Man, just
Look at the suspension on this baby.
handles nice.
How about that, Dalton? 75 or 80, bump it up into 4th. It's got great gears. I think it's got like 333s or something like that. 323s. Isn't that awesome?
It's sweet.
70 mile an hour. Look at the shifter. Look how tight that shifter is. It ain't rattling around.
Yeah.
No vibration.
Just a quality car.
We're gonna downshift it quick. First third. How about that for synchros?
Nice.
I want to do one more takeoff because this car is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's cool.
And so you got a muscle car. You got 350 horsepower. We just got up to the stop sign, foot on the gas, still in gear. It's idling probably 400 or 500 RPM right now.
Nice.
And it runs absolutely perfect, doesn't it?
It does. It's just
Now,
hell of
no
a
power
fun.
steering, okay? Not a big deal. When you're moving with this big steering wheel, it's awesome. I just love the original suspension too. Right?
yeah.
What do you think?
I love it. It's a one
I
of a
mean, you
kind
don't have
car.
to hit 4th gear until about 80 mile an hour in this thing.
Nice.
I mean, there's not many Chevelle 350 horses that you can do that with.
Yeah.
The gears on this are just perfect
No
for
vibrations,
cruising.
no rattles.
Nothing.
Just like brand new. Hell of a car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.